Well, looks like it's probably almost your dinner time down there, Earth. We'll show you our food cabinet here in a second.
11, roger. Houston, we see a box full of goodies there, over.
Oh, we really have them, Charlie. We got all kinds of good stuff. We've got coffee up here in the upper left and various breakfast items, bacon in little small bites, and beverages like fruit drink. And over in the center part, we have all kinds of things. Let me pull one out here and see what it is.
Right.
Would you believe you're looking at chicken stew here? All you have to do is 3 ounces of hot water for 5 or 10 minutes. Now, we get our hot water out of a little spigot up here with a filter on it that filters any gases that may be in the drinking water out. And we just stick the end of this little tube in the end of the spigot and pull a trigger 3 times for 3 ounces of hot water, and then mush it up and slice the end off it. There you go, beautiful chicken stew.
Sounds delicious.
Now, the food so far has been very good. We couldn't be happier with it.
Roger.
Flashlight a second.
The surgeons are saying thank you there for that.
And it is sort of down in a dark corner, so we have a flashlight here to help us see things. And if I can let go of it carefully, it'll just hold itself right where it is.
Roger.
As long as disturb it will.
Well, 11, you said pretty good demonstration. You started off really stable there, Mike. Well,
the problem is, no matter how carefully you let go, you bump it just a tiny little bit, set it in motion, and once in motion, there she goes. Try that again.
It looks fairly stable now with slow rotation.
Well, so much for the food department. I'm going to close up the store down here.
Roger, we copy.
Charlie, we checked out the cable length, and we're thinking we might want to see if we can take the TV into the LEM with us tomorrow for part of the time. Over.
Roger, good show. We'd like to see it if it'll reach that far. Over.
We'll give it a try.
Roger.
Now, where I sleep is down underneath this couch.
Houston, roger. Slowly sinking into the sack there.
Yeah, it's really comfortable. Forgot to give Buzz his flashlight back.
Apollo 11, Houston, could you give the folks a view of your patch if on your CWGs, over?
Stand by one, Charlie. We're trying to get you close up.
All right. Houston, we have the patch. Could you attempt to improve the focus slightly, over? Houston, the scan on the camera makes the, that's a little bit better now. The flashlight seems to flicker due to the scan on the TV. We can't see the eagle. Now it's a little bit better, over. Could you open the f-stop a little bit more, over?
Yeah, it's open all the way. We're going to have to move buzz around a little bit.
Roger. Okay, Apollo 11, Houston, the color's better now. Coming in, we could attempt a little bit better focus on it. There we go. Our focus is a lot better now. We see the eagle coming right in on the lunar surface, over. That's very good now. Apollo 11, Houston, that's very good now. We can see the Earth in the background, Apollo 11, and the eagle coming in.
Probably pretty hard to see the olive branch.
Roger, it is.
Well, that's what he has in his talent, is an olive branch.
Copy. Apollo 11, Houston, we're really impressed with the clarity and the detail that we have in the picture. The colors are, now it's really an excellent picture now that I'm looking at on our monitor, which is about 12 seconds before the networks can get it out due to the conversion that we have here on our TV converter. We're looking at the controls and display, the main display console, and we can see the disky up on the panel, over.
Well, it'd be nice if you could take a look at all the circuit breakers, make sure the right ones are in and the right ones are out.
All right, Big Brother's watching.
Yeah, we're glad of it. Say, guys, you've been doing a good job of watching this, Charlie. Appreciate it.
Spacecraft's been beautiful, 11. We had really no complaints at all. Looks, things are really great.
Can you see a jet ski on the MPC?
That's affirmative. It appears that can't quite tell what program. Well, it looks like we're in Pooh. We see you punching in a verb 35, I think it is. Over.
Yeah, might as well tell the econ, or tell the GNC and everybody to hold on their hats. I'll push the enter button.
Right. We see a real display now. That's a good demonstration of how crew has the interface with the computer, talking to the programs and all that we have in the computer.
Well, that's right, Charlie. Sometimes it tells us things, and sometimes we tell it things, and mostly it talks to us. Houston, we just lost our picture. I see we're going back outside now. Over. Houston, you copy? Over. Roger, we copy. And as we pan back out to the distance at which we see the Earth, we'll Apollo 11 signing off.
Roger, Apollo 11. Thank you much for the show. It's a real good half hour. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Out.